Bloody hell. Hip hip hooray! 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 Hooray!
This is bank.
Hurry up!
I remember we both went off and we saw
Coming down.
Well, you were too slow. How's it looking? Is it alright?
It runs a lot up here actually, it works.
Crap! Oh, I fucking did it, oh well. The next stop is Chevron. Change for East London Overground Line. Platform in sight. Start brake. Okay. I'm trying to remember the train simulator. That's precise. Probably bring it up in an hour, I think. You know.
Good morning and welcome to the JLR. This is a JLR service coming out all stations to Woolwich Castle via London Sea Airport. Next station is Shadwell. For London Overground services outside the station and JLR services towards the Tower Gateway on the opposite platform. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you. It's a JLR service coming out all stations to Woolwich Castle via London Sea Airport.
357 00. Welcome aboard the C2C rail service to Grays via Reading.
This train is for Woolwich Castle via London City Airport. The next stop is Chadwell. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Hello, 357219.
So everyone comes to you. So your house is the main house. Yeah, then go to
The next stop is Limehouse. Change for National Rail Services. Yeah. This is Limehouse. Oh, I didn't read the numbers. Oh well.
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The stop is House. Change your rail business. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
And it's
The station is Limehouse, changing for CC services.
They're only like 3 or 4 points. It's Leeds first. Leeds first, Spurs, West Ham.
oh well.
Big time again. Yeah. You majority of you live here.
Huh?
So a lot of you live here for.
My sister lives here, my cousin. No other one. My brother, me and my sister here. No other village.
I'm saying in London.
Yeah, London.
You have to live there.
My brother lives with me and my sister got living in that. And then
The hell?
all the friends around. Someone in the Arsenal, someone in Hayes. It's almost but Wigan is the farthest.
Where are we going? On a good day, you can get that right.
3 hours.
The old Limehouse curve.
On a good day, you can get there 2 hours.
No, I live in East London. Yeah, but East London to go to M40 or M6, it takes an hour. So that's why 3 hours, door to door. Yeah,
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The stop is Westbury. Change stations to Canary Wharf and Lewisham. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
The station's Westbury, change of GLR services towards Canary Wharf and Lewisham. Just wait on this platform to board the Lewisham train. Station's Westbury.
so that was, I'm not fancy of too much driving, so I'm going there.
Okay.
So you run outside like 5-3.
I'm going to go to Ramadan.
Okay.
You got 3 calls. So if you get Snoop, you got
Regular visit like
so if I Snoop, yeah, or you get 3 calls. All the events here.
or holiday time.
You've got 3 calls and that's what it's like. It's like
And I'm off. That's a big Sometimes
Big building between a massive road.
they both down on the mix as well, and then retake it.
because I just
Where time goes? Oh well.
Next station is Poplar, change for GLR services towards Stratford on platform 2, the adjacent platform. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you and ensure you tap out when leaving the station. We're now approaching Poplar.
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The next stop is Poplar. Change buttons towards Stratford. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Fine, but dry. What time you finish? What time is it? 6 o'clock? Sorry.
What day did we get back?
Should go away for it. My birthday? Yeah. Just a lad. Just a lad. What else to get on with?
I think that's B2K and a B92 stop. No idea.
Flying square.
Ooh, short tramline bit. I think Two Wheel supplies in all the trains, I don't know.
What's that? West Country?
Yay! The next stop is Poplar, the 07 stop.
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The next stop is Blackwall.
I was thinking East India.
Has it? So what, are you going up there? Oh, you don't know whether it...
It's fun. When the whole Russia-Ukraine thing kicked off, down and into getting like tourists and shit. Now we're like just talking to themselves. We haven't got anything to worry about over here. He was like, I'm not over there, so you haven't got to worry about it.
Oh, right.
Basically, he gets pulled out there.
This is Blackwall.
He's gone out there.
But yeah, anyway.
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The next stop is India.
It's quite a good footbridge.
I don't even know where next, yeah. All sorted. Picking you up, that's the thing, isn't it? Yeah.
This is Eat India.
Did he do alright?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I can't remember who he is, but he's got to go there because he's.
Oh, really? But you don't know of what?
Not a clue. I think it was like before he was doing stuff. It was like Australians and Geo, like Kotlin, laptops and stuff.
Super Loop 4 to Canary Wharf.
Really? With the plates?
Yeah, it turns out he was uniformed and we were like just going for things, we just spotted us and we just
Pulled you through.
so,
This train is for Woolwich Arsenal via London City Airport. The stop is Canning Town. Change for stations towards Beckton, London Underground, Jubilee Line and bus services. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
Oh, yes. I will come back to do more London buses soon. Got more important work to do, so yes.